Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Moses Lake Expressway. We are going to the store and to buy something equipment.
A rear end for a car. The axle got bent in it, so finally found a rear end that's used from a uh, used parts outlet. So we're driving there right now to go ahead and grab it up.
This is the view going to the store. From the house going there, 30 minutes drive. No traffic, unlike in the Philippines. Super traffic.
Yeah, we're going down this here one road that ain't a lot of traffic on it, but there's a golf course and houses and a few farms and businesses. On the other side of these here houses is the lake, Moses Lake.
Beautiful houses.
Yeah, they're pretty much quite a few of them's new. Different out this way, except for the sidewalks, I guess, and maybe the road.
New houses out here. That used to be the road.
Oh, that used to be the road?
That used to be the road.
Wow. Okay, there's the speed number 25.
it's Road 4, then yeah, it is. And yeah, it's Road 4.
Wow. That one Sergey, that Russian, lives out here someplace.
Yeah. Should be coming up here somewhere.
It's down over the hill. Remember?
No, it's right there.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah. That's the old Tiffany's.
Huh?
That's the old Tiffany's. Right here.
Oh, wow. I thought you...
Hi guys! Pabalik na po kami ng bahay. At hindi ko na picturean yung equipment na sa likod ng pick-up. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay dito. Ang katabi ay Moses Lake. Gusto nila yung view. Kaso lang, ang daming mosquitoes pagka tabi ng lake.
Yeah, we've already got the rear end, so now we're headed back with the rear end, and so this is just looking at the places from a different view, a different angle.
Oh, ang gaganda ng pine trees. Ang ganda din ng road. Ang lalaki ng mga bahay. Ang lalayo ng mga bahay nila. Ang ganda ng view ng Moses Lake.
Yeah, this is out by where we go fishing at the sand dunes. And there's Moses Lake view right there with part of it.
Kaso si Dave ayaw niya tumira dito tabi ng Moses Lake kasi daw ang daming lamok, mosquito. At doon sa aming tinitirahan walang mosquito. Dito ang dami. Katabi kasi ng lake. Ang gaganda, kaso yun ang gusto nila. Continuation guys. At entering na kami sa freeway. Ang gaganda pa din ng view.
Yeah, right up here. After we go across this here overpass. If we would have went straight instead of turning right up here, we would have went out where we was catching the fish. Right up here. Yeah, if we had just keep going straight right here, then we would go out where we was catching the fish at. But we're not going that way, so we're gonna take a left right here and get back on the freeway to get back to our destination.
How many kilometers? To drive?
Well, we still got a few miles.
$70 to $80.
Kilometers.
Speed limit
Speed limit 70.
70.
Trucks 50.
Trucks?
Or trucks 60 and
60.
Cars 70.
Ang bibilis. At kaunti lang yung mga sasakyan. Tawag nila dito freeway. Diyan sa Pilipinas, expressway. Pasensya na guys, magalaw.
See, I was going so fast.
Hello, my love. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Happy Friday. Hi my love.
Another Friday.
Yes. In the Philippines is Saturday. Saturday morning. Here Friday afternoon.
It's very hot.
Yeah, super hot here. We're going back to the Philippines. Nakapagod. Second trip na namin ito. Kanina umalis. Kararating lang ng bahay. Balik na naman kami. We are what they call that, runner. Is our driver. I am the passenger. Runner.
My handicap.
I don't know where did you put.
You didn't bring it out of the pickup, did you?
You left in your pickup. It's super hot weather, guys. Wait.
I'm waiting.
Okay, go. Lansangan. Second trip na naman namin ito. Kararating lang ng bahay. Pahinga kaunti. At saka biyahe ulit. Oh. Our driver. Hello, my love. Nakakapagod magbiyahe. Kami yung runner. Ayan, dito na naman kami. Ayan, yung mga mais. Growing up healthy. Growing up pretty. Sobrang init dito, guys. 5 o'clock na. Grabe ang init. Ang ganda ng mais, guys.
Yes, they were in the chicken house and then they came in. They don't look. Yeah. Go so fast.
Are they nice?
They are very nice.
What is that?
Oh, might have it for
And they like-
sale.
and
What
they
is
like
that,
puppy dogs.
my love?
Huh?
What is that?
Well, you know, look, we do have them.
Yeah.
Idaho's sage mixed.
That one, oh.
Oh, that's kitty cats, yeah.
I don't know.
We had a cat that looks
The,
Hi.
the stripy ones, whichever one has pads on its paws, is friendlier of the two. But the black one is really friendly too.
It's playing.
I think the one step away from doing all gymnastics cats. We had some crazy cats do gymnastics.
Doing gymnastics.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sorry. No. I'll put a date right back. Yeah, I have a.
Hello.
right now.
Hi. Hello. My love, look. They are cute. No, my love? They are cute. They want to come out. Hi. Oh. So cute, my love. Oh. Hello. How much is? Wait. Hello. Hi. Hello. The eyes is pink, my love. How big they are?
That's about as big as they get.
Wow. Hello. This looks like a rabbit. Hello.
You don't eat them.
Ay, 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 ay. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Hello. Sila din, my love. Hi. 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 Hello. How much it is? 35. Oh, wow. Hi. 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 Gasoline,
Huh?
upper cylinder,
Mm-hmm.
lubricant. How much?
$13.99. $14. And this is 12. That's 9.
Yeah. What bread is this? Britziler. Ito yung aming favorite.
You got what you want.
Yeah, this is our favorite.
Okay, come on. You got what you want.